It's completely standalone. No wires, no battery pack, nothing like that that's going to break your sense of presence.
No wires, no battery pack, no console to plug into.
Sometimes we innovate by taking something that is awesome, but is super expensive, and making it so that it can be affordable for everyone, or even free.
These headsets, they're just designed from the ground up to go mainstream and mass market.
It's not just enough to make this possible, we have to make it so that it is affordable and accessible to everyone.
We have worked hard to make them as accessible as possible to as many people as possible.
And that's why we focus a lot of our innovation, not just on the groundbreaking innovations, but on making sure that these things are going to be accessible to everyone. Because to us, that is just as important as advancing the state of the art.
If you were at home and you were playing a drinking game to this keynote, all of it, mainstream and mass market, those are your keywords. You'd be in trouble right now.
Then I got this other problem, which is my other daughter doesn't want to go with the Harry Potter theme. She just wants to be an apple.